Jai Srimannarayana. 24th sloka of second chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Achedyoyam adahyoyam akledyaha asosya evacha नित्यः सर्वगतः स्थाणुः अचलोऽयं सनातनः. Om. Atma cannot be cut, cannot be burnt, cannot be wetted, cannot be dried. Atma is eternal and stable. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option for every one of us, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimannarayana, I shall try to constantly remember that Atma is eternal. That means we should not be affected by any of the elements. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara juhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma took Matsya Rupam, Matsyavataram, took the form of a divine fish in order to kill a demon. His name is Hayagriva. Not only that, Tatra Rajarushihi Kaschin Namna Satyavrato Mahan Narayana Paraha Atapat. In a previous Kalpam, Chakshasha Manvantaram, there used to be a great king, Rajarshi. His name is Satyavrata. He is such a great devotee. He devoted to Sriman Narayana. He is an enlightened person. So he did tapasya just while drinking only water. So the same Satyavrata, now in this Kalpam, he is the son of Vivasvata Manu. His name is Shraddha Deva. He is the Manu in this Manvantaram. So what happened is, one of those days when Satyavrata was doing Tarpanam in Krutamala river, he has taken water into his hands to do the Tarpanam, and he noticed there is a small fish in his handful of water. Then he felt very compassionate towards that fish, and he left that water along with that fish in the same river. So then that fish started saying to that Satyavrata like this, "Oh my dear compassionate king, I am alone by myself. If you leave me in this water, in this river, there are big fishes and other animals which can eat me away. So please do not leave me in this water, in this river. Please protect me." Like that, when that fish requested and prayed that Satyavrata, he immediately decided to protect that fish. Tamatmanaha anugrahardham pritya matsyavapurdharam. Satyavrata didn't know that Sakshat Paramatma came down in this form of a small fish to just bless Satyavrata, just bless to protect Satyavrata. So without knowing that fact, Satyavrata decided to protect this fish. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 24th sloka. Achedyoyamadakyoyam akledyo soshyayevacha nityas sarvagatasthānuhu achaloyam sanatanaha. Achedyoyamadakyoyam akledyo soshyayevacha nityas sarvagatasthānuhu achaloyam sanatanaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.